smells so great. Oh, get it, girl. This room is so cool! It's like adorable! Oh my gosh, look at this bed! Oh my gosh. They already have like clothes for us. Like, okay. Oh my gosh, I really have to pee. What? Oh my god, what? What? It looks normal to me. Hi. What just happened?
I don't know.
Where'd she go? Hi. I can't wait till we get home. Hi.
You killed him now.
You okay? That girl was so weird.
I know. She was like totally creepy.
I can hear her laughing right now.
I know.
Like, oh my god.
Did you hear something?
No, not really. Oh my god, Alex! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
If I die young, bury me in satin, lay me down on a bed of roses, sink me in the